Hi family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. If you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit on that subscribe button. So fam, today we're going to be doing some Koki Corn. Let's get right into the recipe. So fam, the first thing we want to do is to take out your corn from the cob. So you could use a knife and just gently do this. Fam, I have this. I actually bought it from Amazon. It helps you take out the corn with ease. You just do this, and then it takes out the corn. So fam, the next thing we're gonna do is to blend our corn. So fam, here we go. Our paste is ready. We're just gonna go ahead and add our salt, about half teaspoon of salt. And then we're gonna be adding 1 seasoning cube. When I was blending the corn, fam, I added habanero peppers, so we have about 2 habanero peppers in here. When you're in the US, for example, the corn here is very soft, so when you're doing Koki corn, add some yellow cornmeal. So I'm going to be adding about a hand or 2 full. Just put it until you see that your consistency is okay. Gently just mix it. Next thing we're going to be adding is our palm oil. Just put a little at a time. You don't want to put a lot of palm oil. I'm going to add a little bit of oil again. So fam, if you feel that you're going to be soft, you could add more cornmeal. Depends, but you don't want to add a lot, because if you add a lot, sometimes it tends to be so hard. And you don't want Koki corn that is too hard. To me, this is enough. I didn't have fresh spinach at home. I had a little bit of frozen, so I'm going to be adding my spinach. Spinach is totally optional. Don't feel bad if you don't have spinach at home. Alright, just mix that gently. When we're getting into the tying process, you just want to take about a spoon or 2 full of your paste and just put it on one side. And then you gently fold in your paste the first time, and then you go another time, then and then right now you want to take this edge and fold it in, then hold it up so that it doesn't pour, and then just like gently tap it, and then get the other edge where you think the paste ends, and then fold it in, and there you go. So we're gonna put this in the pot, let it cook while you keep adding the others. So fam, bear with my leaves. It's really a hard time using these leaves here. I remember back home when we need to do something like this, we just go to the backyard and harvest a bunch of plantain or banana leaves. There we go fam, it has given us about 6 bundles. Make sure while it's cooking, you're checking time and again so that it doesn't dry out and get burned. So we want to check it and then add water on the sides. We're going to let it cook for an hour and then we'll be back. So fam, it's time for us to check if Koki Corn is ready. So we're going to take one and then check it out. We're going to open that. Perfect texture. Enjoy fam, give yourself a treat as usual. Thank you so much family for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you next week. God bless you. Bye.